Sustainable fashion is hard until you do this. If you've ever tried to shop for sustainable clothing, you know that it's no easy task. First, you have to figure out which brands are greenwashing versus which brands are actually sustainable. And that's no easy feat. Once you figure that out, it feels like your work has only just begun. Because even if you know which brands are actually sustainable, you've still got to figure out which brands have your size, which brands ship to you, which brands have your preferred style, your favorite colors, your preferred fabrics, and the list goes on and on and on. I started Eco-Stylist's personal styling subscription just to help people solve these exact problems that I'm talking to you about. It's the easiest way to shop for sustainable clothing, and I know because I've been working in sustainable fashion for the last 8 years. Hi, I'm Garrick, the founder of Eco-Stylist, and in today's video, we're going to talk about the easiest way to shop for sustainable clothing and how that can make your life easier. And if you want to know how to do it for free and how to do it yourself, stick around and I'll share tips for how to do that at the end of the video. Let's get into it. So first off, what is Eco-Stylist's personal styling subscription and why did I start it? Well, basically, our personal styling subscription is designed to be the easiest way to shop for sustainable clothing. And the way that we do that is that when you sign up, you take a style intake quiz. And this basically helps us build a style profile for you, right? So we collect all the information about you that we need to help select clothes just for you. So like, for example, your sizing, where you live for weather in terms of like what the weather's like where you live. You get to select styles that you like. You get to put in information like all your preferences, like your favorite colors, patterns, whether you prefer natural materials, vegan, et cetera, right? So we basically collect all your personal preferences so that we can put sustainable clothing in front of you. Every month you get recommended shopping suggestions just for you, all from certified sustainable brands. So you can trust all the brands and all the pieces that are being recommended to you. There's no greenwashing, right? All the brands have been thoroughly researched. But in addition to that, all the pieces and the brands have been picked just for you based on all of your preferences, right? And so basically we've designed the easiest way to shop for sustainable clothing. And the reason we did this is obviously because of all the problems and the barriers that I mentioned to you. But I didn't just make that up, right? Like I was really interested in what are the barriers that are stopping people from shopping sustainable clothing, what's making it hard, and how could we create an easier, better experience for people, right? So I talked to a lot of people, and this is what I heard, right? It's like, what makes it hard for you to shop for sustainable clothing, and obviously the first one you always hear is like, the thing about like, for a lot of people is you hear greenwashing, and I don't know which brands are actually sustainable, right? And we've known about that for a long time, right? That's why EcoStylist, that's why we certify brands. That's why we have a brand guide, right? So you can find certified sustainable clothing brands and cut through all that greenwashing noise, right? So we had that one covered, but when we dug deeper, it's like, what else? It's like, well, it's like you find out that people, they knew, even if they know which brands to shop, it's still really challenging for all the reasons I mentioned, right? Because they're like, oh, I don't have time. It's like, I still don't know. It's like, I have this awesome list of brands and none of them are greenwashing, but like, which ones are my style and which ones have my sizes? And the list goes on and on, right? Like people have, whether or not a brand is greenwashing doesn't necessarily mean it's the brand for you, right? And it's the brand that's going to have what you like and meet all your preferences, right? So there's still all those extra layers of work. And so after talking to people and learning about this, I thought there has to be a better way, right? And so I wanted to design a service that would make it, effortless and easy and just like a pleasant, fun experience for you to shop for sustainable clothing. And so that's exactly what we built. So your next question is probably, how does this work? And we've designed it to be super simple for you, right? So all you got to do is you sign up, then you take your style quiz, which takes about 5 minutes. It's very easy and fun to fill out, and that helps us learn about your style preferences. And then in 3 days or less, you're going to receive your personal shopping recommendations, pieces from brands picked just for you in your inbox, so directly in your email. And that's it. It's that simple, right? And so after you sign up, like I mentioned, it is a subscription. So you're going to receive personal shopping recommendations just for you every month. But you can cancel whenever you want, right? And so like our average user stays on for about 6 months, right? So for example, right, because usually, for a lot of people, it's like after that they've got enough shopping recommendations, they don't need to do any more shopping, or maybe also they've just become really comfortable with like now they know which brands are for them, which brands, have all their preferences. And so they don't really need, support anymore because now it's easy and comfortable for them, when they do need something to know which brands to look for, right? So again, it's a subscription, but it's not designed for you to be signed up forever, right? It's like you just sign up and keep it as long as you need it and cancel whenever you want, right? It's no penalty to cancel, like no obligation, right? It's like whenever you want to cancel, you just cancel anytime. You just send us an email, and it's just that simple. So, how do you sign up for the service? Well, signing up is super easy. You go to our personal styling subscription page and you just sign up. It's really quick and easy. And if you want to learn more about the service or sign up, I'm going to have the link to our personal styling page in the video description for you all to check out. Finally, if you'd like a more in-depth look at exactly how the service works, including the style quiz and all of that, we actually made a video where we go behind the scenes for the entire personal styling service. So I'm going to have that video here in the cards for you if you want to check that out. So, do people like the service? And the answer is yes. People love the service. They found it super helpful for building their sustainable wardrobes. And if you want to read some testimonials and see what people have said for yourself, you can find those on the personal styling page, which again will be linked in the video description. You can scroll through those. And kind of fun fact, we've even had the chance to style a celebrity. So we styled, Koya Webb with this service as well as her husband. And you can see a photo there of, Koya Webb and her husband wearing some clothes from Outerknown that we picked for them. And so that was, a lot of fun. Now, by the way, if you're finding this video helpful for finding tips for how to build your sustainable wardrobe, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Your support means a lot, and it really helps us grow. So finally, I promised you all that I'd talk about how to do this for free if you don't want to have a stylist pick clothes for you and you want to do it yourself. And so the easiest way to do that is, well, first of all, we started Eco-Stylist and designed Eco-Stylist to be a free resource for people to help them shop for sustainable clothing, right? So before we started this, personal styling subscription as part of a service that we offered, we have our whole website, which still caters towards helping you find sustainable brands. And the main way we do that is through our brand guide. So if you want to do this yourself for free, first of all, you just need a tool to help you do that first step. So remember, I mentioned the first step if you're trying to shop for sustainable clothing is to filter out which brands are greenwashing and which brands are actually sustainable, right? And Eco-Stylist with our brand guide is a free resource that you can use to do that, right? So all you have to do is go to our brand guide, and these are all brands that have been researched and vetted and certified for their sustainability. So just by starting on our free resource, which is our brand guide, you've already done that first step of like cutting through all the greenwashing. You don't have to do any brand research yourself. These are vetted brands that you can trust. So basically, just start with that free resource. And then all you have to do is then figure out from that list, like which of those brands, are in your budget and which ones have your style and that you like, so you can just scroll through them. You can use the filters in our brand guide and just find some brands that you like. And that's the easy way to do it for free. If you're not sure where to find the brand guide, I'll have that link in the video description for you as well, so you can check it out. Thanks so much for watching this video, and until next time, dress like you give a damn.